everybody, my name is Dhruv Fredu from Small Alexa. So today we are going to start from class 7 maths chapter integers exercise 1.1 question number 1. We are going to start. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius and different place on a particular day. Here it is given at one day. Here 5 places are given. At that 5 places different temperature it is given, and temperature is given in degrees Celsius. And the sign also is shown here. So now here what you have to do, in A1 it is given, observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Here 5 places are marked on it. Now we have to write the temperature of that all 5 places. So now let's write. Now we are going to write A1 answer. Lahore Spiti. Lahore Spiti is first. So now let's start from it. Lahore Spiti temperature is how much? Here it is -10, -9, -8. So its temperature is -8. And not till -8. Here we have to put degree Celsius also. So here degree and here Celsius. -8 degree is the answer of that. So now this is the first one. Now let's move to the second one. Second one is Srinagar. So now let's write Srinagar. Srinagar temperature is how much? Srinagar temperature is -5, -4, -3, -2. Srinagar temperature is -2. Not only -2, here degree Celsius also we have to put. -2 degree Celsius. Now after that third one is Shimla. So now let's write it also. Shimla. Third one here 5. Here it is also given at the point 5. Means it is not minus. After 0 it is positive. Positive means we can put plus sign or it is as it is. Like that. See here Shimla it is given. We can write like this also 5 degrees Celsius. It will be also correct. Or we can write it simply 5 degrees Celsius. By this both method we can write 5 degrees Celsius and plus 5 degrees Celsius. So now let's write the fourth one. Here fourth one is Ooty. Ooty is a town in Tamil Nadu. Ooty it is given. Ooty is how much temperature? Ooty is 15 degree temperature. 15 degrees Celsius. After that Bengaluru. Bangalore temperature is how much? Bangalore 20, 21, 22. 22 degree temperature is Bangalore. Bangalore temperature is 22 degree. 22 degree Celsius. So here this is the A1 part. So now let's write the B1 first. First we'll read our B1 part. In this B1 question it is given, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? Here hottest and coldest place. See, coldest is -8 degrees Celsius means Lahore Spiti, and the hottest is Bengaluru at 22 degrees Celsius. So now let's write difference between the hottest and the coldest. Hottest minus coldest. We are doing hottest is Bengaluru, and Bengaluru minus coldest is Lahore Spiti. Lahore Spiti. So here Bengaluru minus Lahore Spiti. Bengaluru temperature is how much? 22 degrees Celsius. So now let's write 22 degrees Celsius. Minus sign, then Lahore Spiti temperature is -8 degree. So here we'll put a bracket because here minus signs don't come in front like that. Here now 22 minus. And what will happen if minus will come? See, if minus both will come together, so here what will come? Here will come plus sign. So So here now let's move to next. Here 22. 22 here minus minus it is there, so it will come 22 degrees Celsius plus 8 degree Celsius. Minus minus will both get plus. So here 22 plus 8 is how much? 30. So our answer is of B1 part is 30 degree Celsius. So first one answer is this much full answer it is first one, and second one answer is this full can you show. So now let's move to C1 part. So here now we are going to start from C1 part. What is the temperature between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar? So now let's solve first. Now C1 temperature difference first it is given, so let's find the difference here. Your difference will be Lahore Spiti Srinagar. Lahore Spiti minus Srinagar. So now let's take Srinagar temperature is what? -2. Then here minus sign because you are doing difference na. Then here Lahore Spiti is -8. Minus minus can't be, so here that. So here also we can make here 2 degrees Celsius. So now here minus minus here what will happen? -2 minus minus will come plus here 8 degrees Celsius. Then here 8 minus 2 plus 8. How we can do? We can do 8 minus 2 is how much? 8 minus 2 is 6. So what will come? And the bigger one unit is plus 1 unit. So here will come 6 degree. 6 degree Celsius. 6 degree Celsius is our answer. So now let's move to D1 part. Here in this D1 part it is given. Can we say the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? Here it is given that if we add Srinagar and Shimla temperature, so it is more than the temperature of Shimla, as it also less than the temperature of Srinagar. Then it is given if it will be less. So after that, if it will be less, then it is asked that is it also will be less from Srinagar? Then first we have to find with Shimla. Then what the answer will come, we will find from Srinagar. So here let's find. Here for Srinagar and Shimla we are adding Srinagar and Shimla. Srinagar plus Shimla. Srinagar plus Shimla we are doing. Here we will write Shimla because Shimla when we are doing na, is it less than the temperature of Shimla? Then after that it is given Shimla, Srinagar plus Shimla. Srinagar temperature is how much? Minus 2 degrees Celsius. So here minus 2 degree. Then here add we have to do, here we'll put plus sign. Then Shimla temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. So here 5 degree, 2 degrees Celsius. Then here see, which is bigger unit? 2 is bigger or 5 is bigger? 5 is bigger. So we'll do 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is how much? 3. So our answer will be 3 degrees Celsius. 3 degrees Celsius we got. So now we have to find 3 degrees Celsius is bigger than Shimla or not. 3 degrees Celsius. Then here we'll put, and Shimla temperature is how much? 5 degrees Celsius. So here 5 degrees Celsius we'll put. Which is bigger? 3 is bigger or 5? 5 is bigger. So Shimla temperature is bigger. Now we have to find out Srinagar one. So now let's find Srinagar one here. First you will write yes here. Because it is in the question it is asked it is less than the temperature of Shimla. So it is less. So here write yes. So here first one. Now next one we are finding. Now here Shimla or Srinagar we are finding here. Here Srinagar, but we have to find. Here we got 3 degrees Celsius now, like that only do. Here 3 degrees Celsius it is given, and Srinagar temperature is how much? Srinagar temperature is -2. So which is bigger? 3 is bigger or -2 is bigger? Positive integer is bigger, means Srinagar is less than the temperature of Shimla and Srinagar. So here this is here, so we'll write here no. Because in the question it is asked that it is less than the temperature of Srinagar. So this is our answer. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.